Code optimization refers to the process of improving the efficiency and performance of computer code. When developers write code, they often focus on making it work correctly without considering its efficiency. However, as programs become more complex, inefficient code can lead to slower execution times, increased memory usage, and diminished overall performance. Optimizing code involves identifying and implementing changes that result in faster and more efficient execution. Developers may employ various techniques to achieve this, such as algorithmic optimizations, data structure optimizations, and compiler optimizations. Algorithmic optimizations involve improving the logic and structure of the code by designing algorithms that minimize redundant calculations or iterations. Developers can significantly enhance the code's efficiency. Additionally, selecting the most appropriate algorithms for a given task can have a substantial impact on the overall performance of the code. Data structure optimizations focus on organizing and manipulating data in a way that reduces processing time and memory usage. Using data structures that are tailored to the specific needs of the code can lead to substantial performance improvements. For example, choosing an appropriate data structure for searching or sorting operations can greatly enhance the code's efficiency. Compiler optimizations come into play during the compilation process. Compilers analyze the code and make transformations to optimize it further. These optimizations can include rearranging instructions, eliminating redundant computations, and utilizing low-level processor features more efficiently. Code optimization is crucial, especially in resource-intensive applications like video games, scientific simulations, or complex database operations. By optimizing code, developers can reduce processing times, improve user experiences, and make better use of available hardware resources. In conclusion, code optimization is the process of improving the efficiency and performance of computer code. It involves making changes to algorithms, data structures, and utilizing compiler optimizations to enhance the code's execution speed and memory usage. By optimizing code, developers can ensure their programs run faster and more efficiently, delivering a better overall experience for users.